Out here on the edge of the Pacific Northwest, life slows down just enough for you to remember what you actually want. And this home, we're about to transform it into the dream life you've been imagining. I'm Paige Gray, interior designer specializing in remote island homes all across the Pacific Northwest in British Columbia. There's a certain kind of magic that happens when you blend interior design and real estate, especially here on the West Coast where these homes aren't just properties, they're stories waiting to unfold. Today I'm collaborating with the incredible team at Angle & Volker's North Vancouver Island, and more specifically with Eric and Kelsey at Clever Savage Group, who are representing a beautiful Cortes Island home. This home is tucked on a forested property, cliffside across from Gorge Harbor. And while it's beautiful all on its own, it's also a property that asks you to look at what is possible, to look past what it currently is and envision what it could become. Eric is going to walk you through the property, the dock, the landscape, everything that makes this property unique and an absolute rarity in the market. And alongside that, as your interior designer, I'm going to show you 3 levels of transformation with 3 different budgets that share just how much potential is held within these walls. This collaboration is all about vision, about expanding possibilities, and about seeing where real estate and interior design come together to make true gems along the coast of BC. Let's head to the island.
Hello, my name is Eric Leffering with the Clever Savage Group. Today we're exploring a property on Cortes Island in Gorge Harbor. Let's have a look. There's 14.5 acres on this property, a solar system and a backup generator. There are beautiful trails in a really healthy forest. This property is boat access only and gives you heaps of privacy. After you've explored all the trails, there's a nice little place to hang out. You have your own 40-feet dock with a foreshore lease in place. 4, you can unload your boat or landing crafts for all your supplies.
Every time I watch the footage for this property, I'm in awe about how much this home has that you cannot design, buy, or build. It has presence. Homes like this, set into the forest with the ocean just below, hold a particular kind of serenity. But they also come with quirks, original finishes, and elements that are simply ready for the next chapter. So let's talk about what that next chapter could look like. 3 different budgets at $150,000, $250,000, and $350,000. Each one designed to showcase the potential this home already has. Level 1 at $150,000 is what we're going to call our furnishings and light refinishing approach. This first level is where we honor what already exists. The vaulted ceiling, the grand fireplace, the warm wood hues, and the handmade touches. Everything that this home showcases in abundance. Although the previous owners have had their approach with furnishings in this home, I'm going to start by refurnishing it and bringing it up to date to be a beautiful, luxurious coastal property. A creamy curved arm sofa and vintage style rug anchor this relaxed coastal living room. A charcoal round coffee table, textured ottomans, and sculptural side tables add warmth, while an olive lounge chair and black console with moody artwork bring contrast. Layered pillows complete a collected, quietly luxurious space. The dining room pairs a light oak table with taupe swivel host chairs and rich plum side chairs for a warm, refined look. A cloud-like chandelier and full drapery add softness, while a vintage-style rug and simple stoneware ground the coastal palette. This primary bedroom feels calm and grounded with a caramel upholstered bed, walnut nightstands, and a charcoal dresser. Moody landscape art and taupe bedding layer in softness, while a vintage-style rug and warm mushroom wall color create a serene, timeless retreat. A wood and leather bed, cream nightstand, and copper sconce set a soft, natural tone. Sage walls, a blue-gray rug, and relaxed linen bedding create an easy, soothing guest space, finished with layered pillows and serene artwork. Rich earth tones and soft textures define this cozy guest room. A wood bed with a chocolate velvet headboard, charcoal nightstands, pleated sconces, a gridded rug, and quilted throw create warmth, while a still life artwork and olive tree add an organic, collected feel. Two black iron beds sit against a deep blue-green wall color, framed by coastal artwork and a warm oak cabinet. Soft bedding in whites and teals, a plush lounge chair, knitted poofs, and a patterned rug create a playful, inviting guest space. The refreshed kitchen keeps its existing layout but feels instantly elevated with painted cabinetry and a restructured lighting plan. A new pendant light highlights a pre-made floating island piece, adding both function and a focal point to the room. Updated hardware, a softened palette, and simplified finishes create a lighter, more cohesive look while maintaining the existing footprint. Level 2 at $250,000 is going to allow this home to have a complete kitchen overhaul. This is where we begin reshaping the experience. We're going to begin by opening up the wall between the kitchen and the dining room. Not only does this allow more light to flood that beautiful, expansive kitchen, but also builds more cohesive conversation areas and creates that open concept we all know and love. We'd also define a formal entry in this renovation by closing off an entrance off the entry into the kitchen that currently exists. Now that we have an open concept living, dining, kitchen area, this secondary opening is redundant, and by closing it off, we get a formal welcoming to the home. This level of investment transforms the home from rustic cabin to intentional coastal home while staying true to the landscape around it. This coastal kitchen features soft oak cabinetry, a seamless stone backsplash with a sculptural edge, and a furniture-style island and buffet on turned legs. An integrated fridge, farmhouse sink, and gas range add function, while slate flooring grounds the warm, handcrafted palette. Level 3 is a $350,000 investment into this home and allows us to reimagine the retreat that this property is. This is where the vision becomes fully realized. All new furnishings, a reimagined floor plan with an expansive kitchen, updated bathrooms, and refinishing throughout. The primary bathroom feels airy and refined with custom oak-style cabinetry, a glass shower enclosure, and vertically stacked tile. A converted closet forms a tidy toilet nook, while classic sconces, an arched mirror, and open towel storage add warmth and charm. The guest bath includes a fresh built-in shower with clear glass and white tile paired with a custom vanity and brass-accented sconces, while the powder room stays simple with a clean pre-made vanity and updated Toto fixtures. Both spaces feel cohesive, practical, and quietly elevated. The entryway becomes a functional nook with a built-in bench, 4 storage drawers, and a cushioned seat. Wall hooks and a nearby closet add easy organization, creating a warm, intentional welcome to the home. The exterior shifts from a warm caramel tone to a deep, earthy gray that elevates the home to the same level of finish as the interior. This grounded palette mirrors the granite the home sits upon and allows the structure to blend seamlessly into the surrounding landscape, creating a more refined and cohesive coastal presence. Homes like this aren't just real estate decisions. They're chapters in a life story, and this home is ready for its next author. 3 budgets, 3 pathways, and 1 unforgettable home. A huge thank you to Eric and Kelsey of Engel & Volker's North Island and Clever Savage Group for collaborating with me on this project and for trusting me to tell the story of what is possible on this beautiful Cortes property. If you want to explore this property further or imagine what's possible for your own coastal home, all the links are down below. I'm Paige Gray of Paige Gray Studios. Thank you so much for being here.